Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We from group 6 want to explain the biographical recount Isaac Newton. Before starting the presentation, we will introduce our group members. The first, Muhammad Hanif. The second is Muhammad Rangga Nugraha. The third is Muhammad Munif Raihan. The fourth is Muhammad Haidir Bagus Dharma. Okay, the recount text section will be read by myself, Muhammad Hanif. Recount text. Explain Newton's discovery, place of birth, date, and explain events in the past that experienced Newton. Okay, the orientation section will be read by my Muhammad Haidir Bagus Dharma.
Orientation. Isaac Newton for January 1643 until 31 March 1727 was a physics, mathematics, and astronomy superstar even in his own time. He held the highest post as Lucasian, later few centuries later by Stephen Hawking. Newton composed several laws of motion, some of the influential mathematical principles to this day. His findings are used by scientists to explain how the universe works. Newton was born in 1642 in a manor house in Lincolnshire, England. His father had died 2 months before his birth. When Newton was 3 years old, his mother remarried and he lived with his grandmother. He was not interested in the family farm, so he was sent to Cambridge University to study. Newton was born shortly after the death of Galileo, one of the greatest scientists of all time. Galileo had proved that the planets revolve around the sun, not the earth as people thought at the time. Newton was very interested in discoveries of Galileo and other inventors. Newton thought the universe worked like a machine and some simple laws govern it. Like Galileo, he realized that mathematics was a way to explain and prove these laws.
Okay, the event 1 section will be read by Muhammad Rangga Nugraha.
Even one. When people pay attention to Newton, his discovery of gravity is said to have arisen while sitting under a tree watching an apple fall to the ground. When he saw an apple fall, Newton began to think about certain type of motion called gravity. Newton understood that gravity is the attractive force between two objects. He also understood that an object with more matter or mass applied a greater force attracted smaller objects towards it. Newton is the figure who formulated the laws of motion and gravity. These laws are mathematical formulas that explain how objects move when a force acts to them. Newton published his most famous book, Principia, in 1687 while he was professor of mathematics at Trinity College in Cambridge. In Principia, Newton explained three basic laws that govern the way objects move. He also explained his theory of gravity, the force that causes objects to fall. Newton then used this law to show that the planets revolved around the sun in orbits that were oval, not spherical. These three laws are often called Newton laws.
Okay, the event 2 section will be read by Muhammad Munif Raihan.
Even though that is the large mass of the earth affect object towards it. That's why apple fall instead of rising and why people don't fly in the air. He also thought that maybe gravity was not just limited to earth and object on the earth. What if gravity extend to the moon and beyond? Newton then calculate the force needed to keep the moon moving around the earth. Then he compared it to the force that made the apple fall down. After taking into account that fact that the moon is farther from Earth and has a much greater mass, he found that the forces are same. The moon is also in orbit around the Earth due to the blue planet gravitational pull.
The event 3 section will be read by Muhammad Haidir Bagus Dharma.
Event 3. Newton moved to London in 1696 to accept the position of Warden of Royal Mint. 4 years later, he debated with Robert Hooke about who actually discovered the relationship between elliptical orbits and the inverse square law. The long dispute only ended with Hooke's death in 1703. In 1705, Queen Anne knighted Newton, and thereafter he became known as Sir Isaac Newton. He continued his work, particularly in mathematics. This led to another dispute in 1709. In this time, with the German mathematician Gottfried Leibniz, the both bicker about which of them invented calculus. One of the reasons for Newton's disagreement with other scientists was his extreme fear of criticism. That fear led him to write his work, but later delayed the publication of his brilliant article. So other scientists have created similar works. His earlier writing include the Analysis, which did not appear until 1711, and Principia 1687. Newton's publications include Optics 1704, the Universal Arithmetic 1707, Lectiones Opticae 1729, Method of Fluxions 1736, and the Geometria Analytica 1779. On March On March 20, 1727, Newton died in city near London. He is buried to Westminster Abbey in first scientist to receive this honor.
The reorientation section will be read by Muhammad Rangga Nugraha.
Reorientation. Newton's calculations changed the way people understood the universe. Before Newton, no one could explain why the planets remained in their orbits. What's holding them in place? The ancients thought that the planets were being held back by an invisible shield. Newton then proved that they were built the sun's gravity and that the force of gravity was affected by distance and mass. Although he was not the first to understand that planetary orbits are elongated like ovals, he was the first to explain how it works.
Okay everyone, that is Isaac Newton's biographical context that we can convey. If there are shortcomings, we are apologies. We close by saying greetings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.